If you want to uninstall KB5077241 from your Windows 11 PC, follow these steps. Uninstalling updates is not recommended, but if you're facing issues after installing this update, you can remove it. First, open Settings arrow, Windows Update, Update History. Scroll down and click on Uninstall Updates. Now look for KB5077241 in the list. In front of it, click Uninstall. If you agree, click Uninstall and wait for the process to complete. This may take a few minutes. Once the uninstall is finished, you'll be asked to restart your computer. Click Restart Now, as restarting is required to complete the removal. After the system restarts, go back to Windows Update. You can turn off Get the latest updates as soon as they're available, and also use the Pause Updates option to temporarily stop the update from reinstalling automatically. Later, whenever you're ready, you can click Resume Updates to continue installing future updates. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.